Welcome back, guys, to Psalms TCG and Games, and today I am opening up a Charizard Premium Collection. Alright guys, this is the Charizard Premium Collection. So, this here is something that I've always wanted to open. I have a couple of these and this is from my personal collection, so I will be opening this. And really excited to see those 3 promo cards that they got in there, or the alt art cards. But, well, for the sake of content, let's get started. Really excited for this, guys. Really excited. I'm not sure what kind of packs come in it. I mean, I could have just looked at the back and see what it said, but I am feeling a little too hyped and excited to do that, and I want to get started on this now. So go ahead and just rip the plastic off like that. Alright. Ooh. Okay, really like the box in this. And I did compare this to the 25th anniversary premium box. And I believe this here is a little bit bigger than the 25th anniversary box. Alright, so here we are. Sword and Shield. I guess it opens up like this. Ooh, okay. Okay. I like it. Back my camera up a little bit so you guys can see what I can see. So at the top here, you guys can see, it's got the playmat. I believe this is the playmat for the Charizard. Okay, so I guess I'll just flip it around like this because I've never opened this up before and I don't know what it's going about here. Go ahead and move the camera, place it down right here so you guys can see. Okay, just like that. Don't have a very large table, guys. Big enough, but alright. Go ahead and pull this playmat out. I think this would be pretty cool. Let's see what it has here. Okay. Alright, well, if you guys could see, here's the playmat. Oh, this is sick. That's freaking sick. Wow. Yo. That's cool. Oh man, that Charizard VMAX is looking gnarly too. Alright, well, I'll go ahead and put this one to the side. Okay, so we have 3 slots here. We got this one here. We'll start to the right. And in the right, in the Charizard box, we have some, oh, these are the gold coins and they're really solid. Wow, this is like, that's metal. This is pure metal right here. Nice. Nice and solid. They got the dices, and the dices are pure metal as well too. That's cool. And these are the sleeves. These are pretty cool looking sleeves. Alright, cool. Well, I'll throw these back in there. Put this back. Let's see what's in the middle, guys. Ah, so here are the packs. So in the middle we have a little V-Star magnet, or it looks like a magnet, and we got our packs here. So let's see what kind of packs they give us. It's got 3 Fusion Strikes, 3 Evolving Skies, 1 Vivid Voltage, a little gold coin here, nice, and a Darkness Ablaze. So we'll open this up later. I'll set that to the side. And in here must be, oh yes, you guys, there you guys go. Look at that. Wow, these must be the promo cards in here. We got more packs too, but man, look at these. All right, well, we'll open these up in a second. Here, go ahead and put this down to the side over here. And we got a Lost Origin. We got 2 of them. 2 Astral Radiance. 3 Astral Radiance, and 3 Brilliant Stars. Wow. So we got a lot of packs, guys. We got in total, let me go ahead and count this real quick. I'll put these back here, just like that. And I'll get this box out the way after this intermission.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, back from this intermission. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 packs. Wow, that's a lot of cards to open. Jeez, that is a lot. That's great. This is great bang for your buck, but I did spend like $130 on this at the store, so hopefully we can pull some sort of heat in these packs here that we're about to open here in a sec. Alright, so this here are the alt art cards, or the promo cards, or whatever you want to call them. I heard that on these Charizard premium collections that some of the quality of these cards are like really bad. I know they printed a lot of these, but not very many good quality printed ones. That's the code card for the Charizards. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the Charizards out. We'll pull the first one, and this one is the beautiful Charizard versus Mewtwo picture, and it's in pristine condition. I mean, look at it, it's freaking beautiful, guys. I mean, like the front, the back, I could see something in a little corner up here. See that? But other than that, it looks spectacular. I'll go ahead and get the sleeve here and sleeve this bad boy up and get it graded. Alright, there goes one. Set that up here next to the box. And we'll pull out the next card for you guys to see here. And this is the the Godzilla looking one. And this is awesome. I mean, the centering looks really good on this, and the cut on it looks great. Wow, there's a little whitening at the top up here if you guys can see it. But man, this is a really nice card too. Centering is just slightly off on the back side, but overall I like this one. I really like this one. I'll go ahead and sleeve this up too. And the last Charizard is the Sleepy Charizard. Look at that. Wow. I like this one too. This one's really nice. And oh man, it's just so off. Look at that, from bottom to the top. Oh man. It's okay. It's okay. It's not a big deal. I'll go ahead and sleeve this up. Beautiful card. These 3 Charizards are beautiful. If I were to pick which one's my favorite, obviously I have to go to this one right here, the Charizard versus Mewtwo. And I know in another set, I believe it is what is it? Is it in Crown Zenith? That has the other picture for this one right here, and I believe it's has the Mewtwo perspective in its battle. But all right, guys. Well, let's get through these packs and see if we can pull some fire. All right, pack number 1 out of 16. Let's see if we can get something good, guys. Let's see. Let's get something good. Let's get something good. Let's get that nice positive energy out there, guys. Code card. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, got the V-Star card. Poliwhirl, Licky Licky, Relicanth, Poliwag, Oddish, Hussein Growlithe, Lickitung, Slugma. Ooh, we got a Trainer Gallery Roserade and a Manantric, but wow, I never pulled this one before. This is really nice. I like these Trainer Gallery cards. They're really cool. I really appreciate them in the artwork. They just look great. I love them. Awesome. I'll put this up here. Next up, pack number 2, Lost Origin. And can we pull something good? Can we get something to where I can jump from my seat and actually show you the excitement behind pulling something so fire. Water Energy, Stunfish, Box Disaster, Sligo, Roselia, Porygon, Inky, Blipbug, Finneon, Oddish, and a Bouffalant. Alright, nothing good there in this Lost Origin. Alright, Astro Radius for pack number 3. Let's see if we can get, maybe we can get, I don't know, an alt art or something like that. Oh, I forgot what was in the Astro Radiance set. I think it was the Garantina. I could be wrong, guys. Don't butcher me on that. I have not opened up a lot of Astro Radiance. Go code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Electric. Temple, Sino, Wait and See Turbo, Roxanne, Nickit, Hippopotamus, Cyndaquil, Quillifish, Growlithe, Eevee, and a Jubilife Village gold card. Hell yeah, guys. Look at that. I have not pulled a gold card in a long time. This is awesome. Look how beautiful that looks. The centering looks great. Man, the reflection on this. Look at that. Gold. Gold. We hit the gold. Finally. Go ahead and sleeve this one up. Yes. Yes. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I was finally hoping to pull some heat and finally got one. Thank you, Astral Radiance. Alright. Go ahead and open up another one here. See if we can get something good. Alright, I like what I see so far. There's a code card. Right. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Fighting Energy. Quilava, Golduck, Super Effective Glasses. Super Effective Glasses. Chatot, Rowlet, Bronzor, Oshawott, Scyther. Oh, a Trainer Gallery Flapple. I like that. And a holographic Magnezone. Awesome. That's really cool, but this Trainer Gallery though. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'll go ahead and sleeve up this Trainer Gallery Flapple. Nice. Nice. Astral Radiance coming in clutch. Alright, next Astral Radiance. This will be the last Astral Radiance, so hopefully we can get something really, really good. Alright. It's a white card, so probably won't get something good, but we'll see. Stay positive. We can always get something. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Fighting Energy. Quilava. Heavy Ball. Hippoodon. Bergamite. Hippopotamus. Cyndaquil. I keep saying that. Pantyword. Hossein Growlithe. Oh! Is this? Oh my god! Guys, what the? Is this a? Oh, this has got to be like an alt art Zacian with Hop in there. Oh my god, guys! Oh my goodness! Wow! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Oh my god! This is an awesome card. Look at that, dude! Dude! Oh my gosh! Wow! I'm speechless. Nice! Yes! 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 Alright. Brilliant Stars. Let's move on, guys. Next pack. We got a lot of packs to get through. I ain't trying to take you guys' time up too much. But I appreciate you guys watching this video, and please do comment, subscribe, and tell me what kind of stuff you guys want to see. And let's move on to the next one. Got a Water, Hitmontop, Ultra Ball, Kindler, Castform, Growlithe, Impidimp, Babriel, and a Luxray. Okay, non-holographic. I do like that look of that art though. That's pretty cool. It'd be nice if it was a holographic version of that. Alright. On to the next one. Brilliant Stars. Again. Here we go. Here we go. Hopefully we get something really good out of this one. Alright. Code card. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. we got the V-Star card, Kindler, Magma Basin, Hitmontop, Turtwig, Piplup, Shroomish, Throw, Castform, Marnie's Pride Reverse, pretty cool, and a non-holographic Manaphy. Alright. Next, Brilliant Stars. And this set, I do like this set, Brilliant Stars, but I had the most terrible luck pulling anything on this. Oh, yikes, a damaged code card. That's not good. Not good at all, but we might get something good. Might be a good sign. You never know. Leaf Energy, Monferno, Cafe Master, Vibrava, Castform, Gowlet, Impudent, Shinx, Milcery, a Reverse Tornadus, and a Aragon VMAX. Very nice. Very, very nice card. Look at that. Awesome. That is sweet. I like it. I like it. Now, if I were to say something about Tornadus, if you guys seen the last video, I'm not really a fan of the design of Tornadus. It's I mean, it just kind of creeps me out. You know what I mean? It is what it is. I mean, it's Pokemon's design. I'm not complaining. So, just a little strange. Very strange indeed. Next pack. Here's the code card. White card. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is Fusion Strike. Leaf. Eldegoss. Excadrill. Simisear. Clamperl. Carvana. Schmeargle, Rotom, Grubbin, Reverse Holographic Heloisk, and an Oricori non-holographic. Alright. Nothing here to see, guys. On to the next Fusion Strike! Hope I did the impersonation well there of Cool Trainer Ryan. Alright. Okay. Card. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Dark Energy. Power Tablet. Double. Farewell Bell. Azoria. Taimano. Clobbopus. Baneri. Totodile. Reverse Snubble. And a holographic Galarian Obstagoon. And I remember Obstagoon in the game in Sun and Moon, man. Obstagoons, they're quick. They are very quick. Quick Pokemon. Alright. Next, Fusion Strike. Let's see what we get out of the Fusion Strike. White card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Psychic Energy. Beware. Spongy Gloves. Linui. I can't even pronounce this Pokemon right. Oh my gosh. Eevee. Panpour. Gossflyer. Galarian Meowth. Tynamo. A Cufant. And a Leavanny. Non-holographic. Alright, well, nothing there on the Fusion Strike, guys. So, we shall go to Evolving Skies, my favorite set out of the Sword and Shield era. I'm sure it's a lot of people's favorite set out of the Sword and Shield era. Well, because they just have a lot of nice cards in this one. I really, 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 really like the evolutions a lot in these. And I am hoping to pull a Moonbryon or something. That'd be pretty cool. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any of the evolutions, really. Or any of the alt-art evolutions. They're just awesome. Leaf Energy, Golduck, Rubber Gloves, Copycat, Feebas, Hitmonchan, Slackoth, Petlil, Pikachu, Reverse Holographic Lombre, and hey, Golurk V. Golurk V. I almost said Galore. What's wrong with me? Oh my gosh. I believe this has got to be like an alt art or something. Very nice. Very nice. I love it. That is an awesome looking card. I love the artwork on it. Oh yeah. Put that up there. And we will go on to the next pack of Evolving Skies. So far so good with Evolving Skies. Let's keep the heat coming, guys. Let's keep the heat coming. Alright. White card here. There's code card upside down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we go. Lightning Energy. Boost Shake. Ribombee, Avalugg, Drowsy, Flabébé, Roggenrola, Psyduck, Swablu, a Lillipup, reversed, and a Altaria, non-holographic. Okay, put this to the side. Next, Evolving Skies. Alright, this is going to be the last Evolving Sky pack. And we'll see if we can get anything good. White card. Okay, well, maybe not. We'll see. We'll see. Positivity. Positivity. 4. Alright. Fighting Energy. Stormy Mountains. Boldore. Nuzleaf. Carvana. Deweyble. Marweep. Drowsy. Scraggy. A reverse holographic Flappy, and a wishy-washy non-holographic. Well, at least we got something really good out of the Evolving Sky, which is this Golurk. Love the artwork, looks good. Okay. And we got 2 packs left out of this Charizard Ultra Premium Collection. Only 1 pack of Vivid Voltage and 1 pack of Darkness Ablaze. Alright, let's see what we can pull out of this Vivid Voltage. Something really good. I feel it. I feel it now, guys. I feel something really good. And that might not be good. Oh, man. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Leaf Energy. A Sableye. A Galvantula. A Gagote. A Forseed, Joltik, Sandile, Seedot, Pecky, a reverse Snorlax, and a non-holographic Beedrill. Alright, so nothing out of the Beedrill. Last pack, Darkness Ablaze. Last pack, Magic. I'm calling it right now. Last pack, Magic. Oh, that's not a good sign, but anything can happen, right? Okay, here we go. Lightning Energy, Dartrix, Clang, Familiar Bell, Skitty, Golett, Hippopotas, Larvesta, a Spinarak, a reverse holographic Pansage, and a regular non-holographic Swanna. Well, that is all the packs that I pulled, and these are all the hits that we got. And man, I really like these 2 right here. These 2 are pretty nice. But got a gold card out of it, and 2 caricature trainer gallery cards and a VMAX card. But I have to say, these are pretty solid. Not bad at all. So, that being said, I also got my Charizard cards too. Awesome. Well, I just want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, Psalms TCG and Games. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And please let me know what you guys want to see in the future. I can make some other content, some gaming content, other TCG. Just let me know. Thank you guys. I'm out.